Say hi, Val. Thanks for the presents, Ads.
What is that? Whoa. Did you get to play dress up? Adam, did you try this on before you sent it?
I think it's a fairy outfit.
Show Adam, put it on.
Oh, look, that's for your head. Put that on your head.
This beautiful.
Xander, stand up. Show me your Legos. Can you say I love you, Adam and Lacey?
I love you, Adam and Lacey.
Can you say thank you?
Thank you.
Tell them, go take your puppy for a walk. Say, go take your puppy for a walk.
Go take your puppy a walk.
Lily, can you say thank you, Adam and Lacey?
Thank you, Adam and Lacey.
I love fairies.
I love fairies.
Oh.
I want to build them. No.
Adam, when are you coming to put the Legos together?